Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Audi e-tron to myAudi. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Audi e-tron is parked and turned on. Open the myAudi app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log in with your myAudi account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one through the app. Once logged in, locate the Connect My Vehicle option on the home screen. Select this option to start the connection process. Now, in your Audi e-tron, navigate to the MMI display. Touch the settings icon on the MMI screen. Scroll down and select Audi Connect. Choose My Audi Login from the menu. Enter your myAudi account credentials on the MMI screen. Confirm the login to link your vehicle with the myAudi app. The system will now connect to the myAudi servers. You will receive a confirmation message on both the app and the MMI display. Once connected, explore the features available through myAudi. You can monitor your vehicle's status, adjust charging settings, and access navigation. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection on your smartphone. Make sure that Bluetooth and location services are enabled. If the connection fails, restart both the app and your vehicle's MMI. Repeat the login process if necessary. Once successfully connected, you can enjoy the full range of myAudi services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.